Researchers around the world are developing more than 135 vaccines against the coronavirus. To make a successful vaccine takes years. But this time, since we are living in an advanced world, researchers are hoping that the world could get COVID 19 vaccine by next year. And this may happen because every other day we get to know about the development of vaccine from companies who are making it. But to have a clarification, which companies are making COVID 19 vaccine, at which stage are they, NetBus has come up with coronavirus vaccine tracker. But before tracking, we need to understand the development cycle of a vaccine. First is preclinical testing. Scientists give the vaccine to animals, such as mice or monkeys, to see if it produces an immune response. Phase 1 safety trials. Scientists give the vaccine to a small number of people to test safety and dosage as well as to confirm that it stimulates the immune system. Next is Phase 2 expanded trials. Scientists give the vaccine to hundreds of people split into groups, such as children and the elderly, to see if the vaccine acts differently in them. These trials further test the vaccine's safety and ability to stimulate the immune system. Next is Phase 3 efficacy trials. Scientists give the vaccine to thousands of people and wait to see how many become infected compared with volunteers who received a placebo. These trials can determine if the vaccine protects against the coronavirus. Next is approval. Regulators in each country review the trial results and decide whether to approve the vaccine or not. But during a pandemic, a vaccine may receive emergency use authorization before getting formal approval. And then Warp Speed. The US government's Operation Warp Speed program has selected 5 vaccine projects to receive billions of dollars in federal funding and support before there is proof that the vaccines work. And then combined phases. This is another way to accelerate vaccine developments. Some coronavirus vaccines are now in Phase 1 or Phase 2 trials. Now let's look which companies are at which phase. First is genetic vaccine. These vaccines are those that use one or more of the coronavirus's own genes to provoke an immune system. So these companies are making genetic vaccine. First is Moderna's mRNA vaccine. They are at Phase 2 and Warp Speed. The company is eyeing Phase 3 trials in July and hopes to have vaccines ready by early 2021. BioNTech, Pfizer, Fosun Pharma. BioNTech is working in collaboration with Pfizer and Chinese company Fosun Pharma. These companies are at Phase 1, Phase 2 and Warp Speed. Next is Inovio. They are at Phase 1. Safety trials in humans are now underway in the United States and will start in South Korea at the end of June. Next is Imperial College London. They are at preclinical stage. They are developing a self-amplifying RNA vaccine which boosts production of a viral protein to stimulate the immune system. They plan to start Phase 1 and 2 trials on June 15. They have partnered with Morningside Ventures to manufacture and distribute the vaccine through a new company called VAC Equity Global Health. Next is CureVac. They are at preclinical stage. The company has not yet started human trials for COVID-19. Next type of vaccine is viral vector vaccines. These vaccines are those that use a virus to deliver coronavirus genes into cells and provoke an immune response. Now let's look at the companies who are making viral vector vaccines. First is AstraZeneca and University of Oxford. They are making a vaccine based on a chimpanzee adenovirus. The vaccine is at Phase 2 and Phase 3 and it is supported by Operation Warp Speed. They are expecting to deliver emergency vaccines by October. CanSino Biologics and Academy of Military Medical Sciences. The Chinese company CanSino Biologics is testing a vaccine based on an adenovirus called AD5. It has partnered with Academy of Military Medical Sciences and they are at Phase 2. Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, they are at preclinical stage. Researchers are testing an adenovirus called AD26 in monkeys. Next is Johnson & Johnson. They are supported by Operation Warp Speed. They announced that they would start Phase 1 and 2 trials in late July. Novartis and Massachusetts Eye and Ear Hospital, they are at preclinical stage. The Swiss company Novartis will manufacture a vaccine based on a gene therapy treatment developed by the Massachusetts Eye and Ear Hospital. Phase 1 trials are set to begin in late 2020. Merck and IAVI. The American company Merck announced in May it would develop a vaccine from vascular stomatitis viruses. The company is partnering with IAVI. Now, number 3 is protein-based vaccines. These vaccines are those that use a coronavirus protein or a protein fragment to provoke an immune system. Now let's look at the companies who are making protein-based vaccines. Number 1 is Novavax. They are at phase 1 and phase 2. Clover Biopharmaceuticals, they are at phase 1. Baylor College of Medicine and Texas Children's Hospital, they are at preclinical. University of Pittsburgh, they are at preclinical. A vaccine called Pitcovag is a skin patch tipped with 400 tiny needles made of sugar. When placed on the skin, the needles dissolve and deliver virus proteins into the body. University of Queensland, CSL and GSK, they are at preclinical stage. In June, the university and the company CSL announced a partnership to start phase 1 trials, which could lead to millions of doses a year starting in 2021. GSK is providing an adjuvant to further stimulate the immune system. Sanofi and GSK, they are at preclinical stage. The French company Sanofi will produce viral proteins using engineered viruses that grow inside insect cells. GSK will supplement these proteins with adjuvants that stimulate the immune system. Voxart, they are at preclinical stage. Voxart's vaccine is an oral tablet containing different virus proteins. In June, the American company announced it was preparing for phase 1 trials in summer 2020. Now, number 4 is whole virus vaccine. These vaccines are those that use a weakened or inactivated version of the coronavirus to provoke an immune system. Now, let's look at the companies who are making this type of vaccine. Number 1 is Sinovac. It is testing an inactivated vaccine called CoronaVac in phase 2 trials. Number 2 is Sinopharm. The state-owned Chinese company Sinopharm has started phase 1 or 2 trials on 2 inactivated vaccine viruses. And number 3 is Institute of Medical Biology at the Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences. They are at phase 1 trial. With so many companies are working hard to make COVID-19 vaccine, there is a hope that the world could get rid of this virus soon.